SAP NetWeaver Gateway's architecture consists of three tiers: SAP Business Suite tier, SAP NetWeaver Gateway tier, and the consumer tier. Each tier serves a clearly defined purpose and bundles components needed to fulfill this purpose. SAP Business Suite tier holds the biggest part of business logic, and it consists of development tools like Service Builder and Service Provider implementation based on the add-on IW_BEP. This provides connectivity to SAP Business Suite systems and can connect to variety of SAP interfaces such as BAPI, RFC, Bowl Objects, HANA, and Analytics. SAP NetWeaver Gateway tier is the heart of NetWeaver Gateway system. It functions as a middleman between backend and the consumer based on runtime components, metadata components, and OData library. Runtime services such as supportability, monitoring, and tracing ensure a secure connection between consumers and SAP systems. And in the consumer tier, two kinds of components are found, such as integrated development environments like Eclipse or MS Visual Studio, and the UI centric clients such as web applications, mobile devices, desktops, notebooks, and so on. Let us quickly take the notes on the architecture. In the SAP Business Suite tab, business application data is located. It holds the biggest part of business logic. It consists of development tools and service provider implementation based on the add-on for business enablement and event provisioning, that is IW_BEP. Development tool, that is Service Builder with transaction code SCGW. Service provider implementation provides connectivity to SAP Business Suite systems and can connect to variety of SAP interfaces such as BAPIs, RFCs, BW, HANA, Bowl, etc. SAP NetWeaver Gateway tier holds major part of NetWeaver Gateway functionalities and components including core component. This tier is the heart of SAP NetWeaver Gateway. It functions as middleman between backend and consumer based on runtime components, metadata components, and OData library. It provides tools for development and creation of services. A runtime component contains an OData specific runtime that processes OData requests and functionality to expose OData services. OData library contains SAP specific metadata that consume SAP business data retrieved from a BAP data dictionary such as descriptions of fields. Metadata component manages metadata that describes OData models that are exposed as OData service document and OData service metadata document. Service registry is data store that stores the linkage between an OData service and the actual implementation of this service. Runtime services around supportability, tracing, and monitoring ensure a secure connection between consumers and SAP systems. Events are supported to enable push scenarios. Example, when event is triggered, data descriptions of that event is delivered to the consumer. And in the consumer tier, actual consumption of SAP NetWeaver Gateway services takes place. Here two kinds of components found: SAP NetWeaver Gateway consumers and integrated development environments. Consumers are any UI-centric clients such as web applications, mobile devices, tablets, desktops, notebooks, and enterprise software. SAP does not make any recommendations or impose any restrictions on which client technology and development language used for consumption of NetWeaver gateway services. Just as long as client technology can consume HTTP, it can consume NetWeaver gateway services. IDEs are standard and well-known environments such as Eclipse or MS Visual Studio. These environments has SAP NetWeaver Gateway specific features which allow you to easily and quickly create applications that consume services. In the next video, we will see the Internet Communication Manager. Thank you.